If you need to reuse a slide in LibreOffice Impress, the fastest way is to duplicate it instead of rebuilding everything from scratch. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to duplicate a slide in LibreOffice Impress in just a few clicks. This is super useful when you want to keep the same layout, preserve your formatting, or make a new version of an existing slide without starting over. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you already have a presentation open, you can use that one. If not, start by clicking Impress Presentation under the Create section on the left side. That will open a new presentation file and take you into LibreOffice Impress. Once you're inside your presentation, look at the left side of the window. This is where the Slides panel appears, and it shows all of the slides in your deck as thumbnails. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're in the normal editing view so you can access the slide list. Now find the slide you want to copy. This could be a title slide, a content slide, or any slide that already has the formatting and the design you want to reuse. When you locate it, right-click directly on that slide thumbnail. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click Duplicate Slide. As soon as you choose that option, LibreOffice Impress will create an exact copy of the selected slide. The duplicate will be added immediately after the original slide, so you can continue editing it without affecting the first version. This is really helpful if you want to make small changes to a slide while keeping the original intact. For example, you might duplicate a slide to create a second variation of the same chart, swap out an image, or change only a few words while keeping the layout the same. It also saves a lot of time when you're building a longer presentation and need repeated sections with a consistent design. If you want, you can now click the duplicated slide and edit its text, images, colors, or objects just like any other slide. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully duplicated a slide in LibreOffice Impress. It's a simple feature, but it can make your workflow much faster and more efficient. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.